I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell.
Hi, how are you? My name is Anjal Singh and I welcome you to this quick and easy guitar tutorial for this beautiful song Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Now this entire song will have 3 to 4 main lines to learn and you should be able to play this entire song just like that. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the tutorial and see how this song goes. Before we start, there will be a capo on the first fret of the guitar and the guitar is in standard tuning, so everything that you see is with respect to that capo on the first fret. There are only 4 chords to really do in this song. The chords are a G major chord, we'll have an E minor chord, we'll have a C major chord. Last but not the least, we are going to have a D major chord. Okay, so super easy chords, very basic chords. For the strum pattern, we are just doing down strums. The only catch is we will be doing the down strums in group of 3s. So the first down strum is loud, the next 2 are soft. So we are doing it like down, 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 like that. Okay, so that will be your strum pattern. I'll play it to you once. So on the G, you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so super easy strum pattern, all down strums. For the verse, the chords are G to the E minor, to the C, to the D. Okay, this is how the verse goes. Let me play it once to you, then we'll break it down. So we have okay, now you can already see super duper easy. Okay, so on the G we are just doing down, 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 down. You do that 4 times, you go to E minor, same exact thing. To the C, same thing again. And then the D, exactly same strum. Okay, now the second time when we do it, the first 3 chords will come exactly like how they came. Only for the D, this time instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we would just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's loud, soft, soft, loud, soft, soft, loud, and we leave it at that. Okay, so I'll play you back this verse for the song, and again verses are same throughout the song. Play it with me. Will be easy for you to get a little bit practice in before you head into the play along of this song. So one last time, the verse of the song goes something like this. We have good. That will take you to the pre-chorus of the song. Goes something like this, very slowly. We have. Okay, let's break it down. Now you can already see the pre-chorus is exactly like the verse of the song. The only difference happens is when we go to the D chord after that C, instead of going directly into the D, we do 2 rounds of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the D, and then we go to the on the G, and then we go to the D for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are just breaking the last D chord into G and D. Okay, first half of the strum goes to the G, the second half goes to the D. Okay, everything else is exactly the same. So if I play you just the first line, on the G you have 4 strums, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You go to E minor, same thing. You go to C, exactly same thing again. And this time for the G, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 is on the D. So we just broke that D into G and D. Okay. After that, the next line again is exactly like how you did in the verse of this song. Okay. So I think pre-chorus is self-explanatory. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Let me play it back to you still one more time to make sure you have a good hang of it. So the pre-chorus of the song goes something like this. We have. Very well done. Okay, that will take you to the chorus of the song. Goes something like this. Very slowly. We have. Okay, and that we want to do 4 rounds. Okay, so super easy. This time we are breaking the strum patterns into 2. Okay, so 2 chords we are sharing the strum pattern between, and chord wise we're just doing E minor to the C, to the G, then to the D. Okay, we go 1, 2 to the C, to the G, to the D. Okay, so what we are doing is we are basically doing 6 strums per chord. 2 of them are loud, 4 of them are soft. So if I give them numbers, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you do that 4 rounds, and that will be the chorus of the song. Let me play it back to you very slowly. We have. Okay, now this takes you to the only interlude we really have in the song. Goes something like this. We have. Let's break it down. Okay, so this time we are only doing 3 strums per chord for the first 4 chords. So for the G, you just do 1, 2, 3. You go to the D, you do 1, 2, 3. Again, the first one is loud. You go to E minor, do 1, 2, 3, and you go back to the D again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this much you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Very good. Then you go to the C chord, you do 6 strums, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the D, just single strum to end it. Okay, so this entire interlude, one more time, very slowly, we have. Very well done. And that will actually complete this song for you. Now that we are through with all of that, it's time for you to head into the play along of this song. We have covered all the sections that will really come in the song over and over again. But in case you are struggling with any of the sections, any of the parts, especially that interlude, then I highly suggest you to just go back, practice it a little bit more, and then come back to this section of this video. But if you feel like you're already all set with the song, then let's dive right into the play along of this song and see how you do.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. No, no, no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, or barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
I really hope that you were able to play this entire song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case you still have any doubts, any queries, any suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now, if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button, as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.
But it's all I